Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn the phonic sound of X, Y and Z. So let's begin. The sound of X is X. It's X. For example, X, X, fox, X, X, fox. For the sound of X, you have to start with the K sound and then just give the small touch of S sound. It's X. Then the sound of Y is Y. For example, Y, Y, yes. Y, Y, yes. For the Y sound, take your tongue high and then forward. Then the sound of Z is Z. It's Z. For example, Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Close your teeth and just vibrate the air. Thank you so much. इस तरीके से हमने हमारा जो फनिक कोर्स है वो कंप्लीट किया है. Thank you very much.